Kodo Welcab. Model Excel installed at Subaru Forester. It helps the old or disabled people to get seated safely, comfortably and conveniently. It is operated by wired controller, switch on, seat or mobile phone. The seat is programmed by the wired controller, including programming the movement of lengthwise, rotation and seat backrest angle. Manual emergency function and low static power consumption. Quiescent current is less than 0.2 mA. Loading capacity 120 kilograms. It is CE and Mark certified. Seat color options, black or beige. Swivel seat can stop at any position you want by pressing the switch